Today is the letter L and NOP. But wait! There's more!
For just 3 easy payments of $19.95. Okay, just kidding.
Today is the letter L.
L is for literature and learning tools.
We believe in providing more than just roofing panels. Like our mission statement says, it is Tri-County Metal's mission to safely provide its customers with the knowledge, tools, and products to accomplish their projects on time and complete and at a fair price.
Tri-County Metals offers a wide array of literature, including brochures, product line cards, and installation guides that make it easy to learn about our products and how to install them properly.
We have a robust library that includes items like color charts for exposed fastener panels, standing seam panels, and painted aluminum.
Whether you need fastener spacing guidance or want to understand the best panel for your project, our tools are just a click away.
But wait! There's more!
For just 3 easy payments of $19.95. Okay, just kidding. There's more. Okay, what you got?
YouTube, Facebook, all our great educational video content, like this series.
Yes, Tri-County Metals from A to Z.
And if we're on the topic of learning resources, we can't forget about training, right?
That's right. At Tri-County Metals, we offer valuable installation and sales training for our contractor customers.
Let's make sure your sales team can sell it.
And then help make sure your install crew has the knowledge they need to install it.
We are ready to help you with literature, video resources, and training here at Tri-County Metals.
Reach out to your business development manager today to request more information. Like and subscribe. If you have a recommendation for a topic you'd like us to cover, leave it in the comments.
Make your next roof your last.